Hi, this is a video I recorded last week from a session I did with Becky. Now, Becky's in New Zealand and I'm in Scotland, so absolutely you can do hypnosis over Zoom. But also, Becky had a real issue with teeth grinding and the headaches and the tension that this was causing her. So, this session was just about relieving that tension and getting her back to having an enjoyable experience. Hope you enjoy it.
And I've never had huge headaches with it, although I have had I have woken up the odd day where I really know I've been doing it at night because I've just felt that pressure all up here. But when I'm stressed, I notice I do clench my jaw as well when I'm awake. The grinding's, yeah, just at night really, but I do clench. I hold a lot of tension there. And a few years ago, I did get a guard made at the dentist that I'm supposed to wear at night. But I've just started a new relationship, so I don't really want to be wearing So, yeah, it would just be good to get rid of that. Yeah.
Get rid of that.
Yeah.
That feeling. And how would your life improve at all when you've got rid of this clenching and this tension?
Well, I think I'd be more relaxed if I can sort of get rid of that tension. It's going to be better for my teeth and my jaw. I won't have that pain. And it must affect my sleep to a degree as well. Yeah, so hopefully I'll be more relaxed and get a better night's sleep if I'm not grinding my teeth. Yeah.
That's good. Yeah, that's always a good thing. And have you used what have you used to try and get rid of this in the past? Have you used hypnosis before, or is it?
I did. So I've been in the Jacqueline Online Academy, and Anthony did do a group sort of session in one of the one of the sessions. So I did join in that, but yeah, I've still been doing it. So yeah.
Okay then. So I'll just check. Are you comfortable and you've got everything there that you need?
I am. Is the lighting and things good?
Lighting's perfect. It's great. It's probably, yeah, I think it looks lovely. Fine. So you're all ready to go into hypnosis, and
I am, yeah.
rid of this tension and make a change that's going to be good for your life. That's good.
Yeah, definitely.
Great. And you're nice and relaxed, and you can hear me, and you're comfortable. Great.
Yes. Yeah.
So what I'll get you to do in a second is I'll get you to put your hands out in front and then just clench your knuckles nice and tight together and push your palms in. That's it. Then just get you to bend your elbows up. And then just stick your two index fingers up and just spread them apart. And then just look through that gap in between your fingers. And just only imagine your hypnosis coming from there. And as that hypnosis grows and goes stronger and stronger together, your fingers will just pull together as if by magnets. And that hypnosis will just grow and grow and run down your hands and into your elbows. And from your elbows will run up to your shoulders as your hypnosis grows and grows and grows. As it gets stronger, just only imagine it getting stronger and over the top of your forehead and down onto your eyelids. And your eyelids are just limp and loose and lazy, and they just stick close and tight together. And as your hypnosis gets stronger and stronger and it builds and builds, it comes down through your body and down through your arms. And your hands just get heavier and heavier and heavier. And as your hands just sink down there into your lap, nice and gently, that's your signal when they land down there, just to go deeper and deeper into your hypnosis. For your hypnosis to build and build and just to take you as deep and as far as you want to go. Just only imagine now, your hypnosis going stronger and stronger and stronger. And as your hypnosis goes stronger, you become more relaxed. And the more you relax, the deeper your hypnosis goes. 10 times deeper, 20 times deeper, 30 times deeper now. 40, 50, 60 times deeper into your hypnosis. 70, 80, 90, 100 times deeper down now. And just only imagine now with that powerful imagination of yours, how it feels to go deeper and deeper into your own hypnosis. You're on hypnosis now, going stronger and stronger from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. That hypnosis going stronger and deeper and deeper. And your hypnosis takes you down to that place that you want to go to, that mystical place, the magical place that's right for you, where you can make perfect, positive lifestyle choices. That mystical place, the magical place where you can make positive, perfect lifestyle choices. And with every breath that you exhale, now you just want for yourself that from now onwards, you just go deeper and deeper into your hypnosis. And with every breath that you exhale, and with every heartbeat, you go deeper and deeper into your hypnosis now. So start now knowing that with every breath that you exhale, you'll go deeper into hypnosis for our session today. And with each breath you exhale, you can go deeper and more profoundly into hypnosis with every breath. Take a deep breath now. And as you exhale, just go deeper, deeper, down, down, down into your hypnosis. And just go to that mystical place, that magical place, that place where you can make positive, perfect lifestyle changes. That mystical place, a magical place that's right for you, where you can be safe and relaxed and make all those positive, perfect lifestyle changes that you want to make. Just imagine, only imagine going there now. Now, I want you to just let any negative feelings, images, thoughts, emotions, sensations, any negative feelings, emotions, thoughts, sensations, just to release from your body. Any negative feelings, images, thoughts, emotions, sensations that you've been holding on to this last week, this last month, last year, in fact, since you were younger. Just imagine all that negative energy now, all that tension, all that stress, that pressure that you've been holding on to this last week, this last month, this year, since you were younger. Just imagine that now, just flowing up through your body. Just imagine, only imagine, all the valves in the top of your body just opening up, and that negative energy just flowing up through your body, up through your neck, out of your jaw, and just up through a valve and opening out to the top of your head. Just imagine, only imagine now, a bright beam of sunlight just sucking away, dragging away, pulling away all of that negative energy, just pulling it away off into the universe now. Being sucked up away from you into the universe now. You just allow your hypnosis to grow and get stronger, and all that negative energy just to flow out of your body now. just imagine now, only imagine now how it feels for that to happen. Just imagine, only imagine now how it feels for all that hurt and pain and tension, all that weight and stress just to flow up out of your body and come out through the top of your head, sucked away into the universe and gone forever. Just imagine, only imagine now what it feels like to let it all come out, all that tension in your shoulders and your neck and in your jaw, particularly in your jaw and your neck and shoulders, just to come out any second now. That thing, that issue, just let it come to the surface now. What I want you to do now is let that tension, that stress, that hurt, that pain, all those negative feelings, images, thoughts, emotions and sensations that you've held on to since you were a little girl, just allow all of that to come to the surface now. Just imagine, only imagine I'm just putting my hand in under your gut, just pushing all of that negative energy up through your body, up through your spine, up through your neck and out through your top, through your jaw, and up and out through the top of your head so that it just pops out into the universe now. That's right, you're doing great. That's it, you're doing great. Just let it go. Just let it go. Now, all those hidden emotions and feelings and stress can all come right to the surface now. When you've done enough and you know you've done enough for now, just open your eyes as if you're wide awake and feel absolutely brilliant. Just take your time. Hi. Okay. Any feelings, images, thoughts, emotions, sensations come up?
Yeah, there was definitely feelings. Yeah, I could sort of feel shifts, and I could feel. I sort of became aware of tension in my jaw.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I could feel. I feel like it's still there a bit. Yeah,
It's still there.
but
Okay. What's your car registration number backwards? Doesn't matter. Just take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath and then just follow my thumb and just exhale. Just close your eyes and go deeper down, 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 back into your hypnosis. Just sleep. Deeper, 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 down, 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 back into your hypnosis. Just imagine, only imagine, what it feels like to go back deeper into your hypnosis. That powerful hypnosis, your hypnosis now. Just imagine, only imagine how it feels like for your hypnosis to take you deeper than you've ever gone before. Deeper down now, deeper, deeper, down, down. Now, what I want your powerful, unconscious, subconscious mind is to really let go this time, to really let go of all those negative feelings, images, thoughts, emotions, sensations that you've been holding on to this last week, this last month, this last year. In fact, just let go of everything that you've been holding on to since you're a little girl. I just want you now, for that powerful, unconscious, subconscious brain of yours, to really let go of any negative feelings, images, thoughts, emotions, or sensations that you've held on to since you're a little girl. Let go of all that tension, especially that tension that's in your jaw and in your head. Just let it all go now. Feel it flow through your body. Just imagine, only imagine, that flow of negative energy flowing all the way up through your body and out through the top of your head. All those negative feelings, images, thoughts, emotions, sensations, all that stress and tension and hurt you've been holding on to since you're a little girl, just let it all go now. That's it, you're doing great. That's right. When you've done enough, and you know you've done enough for now, just open your eyes as if you're wide awake and feel on top of the world. Take your time.
That's good.
Ah, good, good. How do you feel?
Good. Good. Yeah. Yeah. There's a few sort of things flashed up, like childhood memories, a few things in adulthood as well. And it was almost like a sort of imagining like a river of black, I suppose, going up. Yeah, yeah, releasing. Mm.
Good.
Yeah, yeah, no, it's good.
Okay.
Good.
Oh, that's good.
It shifted, yeah, definitely.
Good. So, did you ever remember what was your car registration number backwards? No? Just take a deep breath, and as you exhale, just close your eyes and go deeper down, down, down. Now, just watch that hypnosis grow and grow again as you close your eyes and go relax and sink down now. Just imagine, only imagine now how it feels to going deeper into your hypnosis now, going deeper and deeper than you've ever gone before. Just imagine, only imagine now how it feels for your hypnosis to increase and increase and increase, going deeper than you've ever gone before. Just imagine, only imagine now how it feels for your hypnosis to increase and increase and increase, increase to wherever you want. Just go back to that mystical place, that magical place, that place that's perfect for you, where you can make perfect, positive lifestyle choices. Go to that place, a mystical place, a magical place, where you can make perfect, positive lifestyle choices. Just allow your hypnosis to take you there, and when you get to that perfect place, just nod your head. Thank you. I'd like to ask your powerful subconscious, unconscious mind just to reconnect with all the muscles and bones in your jaw and your head and your neck. And just allow your subconscious, your powerful unconscious, subconscious mind to reconnect with your jaw and your head and your neck and just all those muscles and bones and tendons. Just allow all the tension to come out of your jaw and your neck and your head. As your powerful subconscious, unconscious mind just relaxes and removes that tension. All that tension can just flow out of your body and up out the top of your head into the universe and be gone forever. Just sit there and allow your subconscious just to reconnect and feel every muscle and feel all the bones and the joints and all that connective tissue and just feel it relax. Just imagine, only imagine what it feels like now for your jaw and all that tension just to go and relax and be gone. With every breath that you exhale, you go deeper into your hypnosis. And with every breath you exhale, you can feel that tension going from your jaw and your neck and your head. That requirement to grind your teeth or to clench your jaw just disappears, it just dissipates. And now for the rest of our time together, with every breath you exhale, those muscles in your jaw and head will just relax that little bit more. That feeling of tension will just float away. Now I just want you to imagine, it's only imagine that you're going inside your body, and you might notice that there's a control there for many different things. You might notice there's a control for the way you write your name, or the way you walk, the way you dance, in fact, the way you do practically anything. This is where you can see all those different controls, or dials, or buttons, or switches, or levers, whatever it is that you see there. You can see all those buttons and switches and dials and levers for everything that you do. I want you to find the control. There's this control for this problem of clenching your jaw and your teeth, and indicate when you've found that control by just nodding your head. Okay, I'd like to thank you. I'd like to thank your unconscious for finding that. Now I'm talking to a different part of your unconscious mind for permission to change that control. Will you give me permission to make that change, keeping you safe at all times? If you're happy for that, just indicate by nodding your head. Okay, thank you again. I'd like to thank that part. Talking to your unconscious mind, in a moment I'll count down from 10 to 1, and I want your subconscious, unconscious mind to indicate the level to which it's prepared to reduce that clenching, that tension, that behaviour, the level to which you're happy for it to reduce to by gently nodding your head. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'd like to thank your unconscious mind, and we'll just agree there. And if for any reason there's anything new that you need to be aware of, I absolutely give permission for that behaviour to come back and fulfil its positive intention in keeping you safe. But with all that said, are you prepared to back off that behaviour to level 2 that we've agreed earlier? If you're happy to do so, just indicate by nodding your head. Good, thank you. Every time you sleep and every time you dream, each of these suggestions can get stronger and stronger and stronger. And of course, if you need to be aware of anything new, this behaviour can come back to fulfill its positive intention. But for now, it can just back off. Thank those parts and that your subconscious mind. You take a deep breath and just go deeper into your hypnosis and more relaxed and more profoundly into your hypnosis. Just go to a time and a place when you were younger. Just imagine, only imagine now, a time and a place when you were a younger girl and everything was perfect and you were happy and safe. Time before you had this behaviour of clenching your jaw and grinding your teeth. Just only imagine that place now and just see that younger version of yourself now. And what I want you to do is, when you can see that younger version of yourself, is just walk over to her. And what I want you to do is just walk over to her and look into her eyes. And I want you to pick her up, and I want you to tell her that you're safe now. I want you to tell them that you're safe and tell them that they are safe too. Tell them all the things that they need to know now. I want you to put that younger version of yourself back into your heart and feel that joy and love and happiness. Feel confident and free and fulfilled. Imagine it, only imagine it now, all that joy and love and happiness, confidence and freedom. Feel every fibre of your body, every molecule and atom filling up with this joy and love and happiness and freedom. All the way from the top of your head to the tips of your fingers and all the way down your legs to the tips of your toes. Filling up with this joy and happiness and love and confidence and freedom. Just flooding through your whole body now. Just imagine, only imagine now, what it feels like as every single muscle and fibre and nerve and atom of your body just filling up with this joy and this love and happiness, this confidence and freedom and safety that you've been looking for. Every time you see the colours red, blue, green, yellow, black, pink or white, or see yourself in the mirror, every time this happiness, you'll have this amazing surge of joy, of love, of happiness, of confidence and freedom just surge through your body. Every time you see the colours red, blue, green, brown, black, pink or white, or see yourself in the mirror, every time this happens, you'll have this amazing surge of joy, of love, of happiness and confidence and freedom just fill your body. You can't change the past, but you can shape the future. You can't change the past, but you will shape the future. You can do it, you will do it. You can do it, you will do it. You will shape your future. Whatever you put your mind to, you can and you will achieve. I just want your powerful subconscious to acknowledge the changes that we've made here today. Just imagine yourself tomorrow, calm, relaxed and confident. Imagine yourself next week, calm, relaxed and confident. Imagine yourself next month, calm, relaxed and confident. Just imagine yourself next year, calm, relaxed and confident. What is it that you notice about yourself that tells you that all is well? What is it that you like best about yourself as you go about your daily business and travel to work? Is it the way you stand? Is it the way you move or look? Is it the way that tension has just gone from your head and your jaw and you no longer have this behaviour? Or is it the way the world reacts to you with an assured confidence? Or is it the way that you think you feel? Just float into that picture of your future self so that you can look out through your own eyes and hear through your own ears. You can feel how it feels to be able to live in that ideal self. Just feel how it feels for your jaw and your neck and your head to be relaxed and free of that tension and free of the headaches that it causes. Just take a moment to just be in that ideal self. And also feel how it feels to listen to the sound of my voice. And as you sit here listening to the sound of my voice, your mind can wander and your mind can maybe remember every positive thought that you've ever had about yourself. Soon it will be time to follow my voice back to normal waking consciousness. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 10. With each increasing number, you come just 1/10 more alert, more awake. And by the number 9, you're just beginning to open your eyes. By number 10, you'll be fully alert and feeling absolutely fantastic back in the present. 1, 2, 3, 4, feeling great. 5, 6, 7, full of joy and happiness and confidence. 7, 8, 9, just eyes beginning to open, and 10, feeling better than you've ever felt before and back in the world with me.
Thank you.
Hi there.
Oh, that was good. Yeah, that was great. Very good.
Good. That was nice. So how was that?
That was good. Yeah, I like the control panel thing, and it's good now because I can embrace my younger self. There was something shifted a while ago, actually, because I used to kind of push away younger selves. You know, I had trouble, but now that's changed. So yeah, that was really nice. So it's about 5 years old, I think, 4 or 5 year old. Yeah, yeah. So
Wonderful.
no, very good. Yeah, felt really good.